Hello, friends and investors of Dexfin. Welcome to today's short video. We will show you how to register for our new program, investing.dexfin.com. If you found us on our website at www.dexfin.com, it means that you do not have an activation link from our partner. So if you are at www.dexfin.com, go to the Products tab on the main page and click the affiliate option. This will automatically redirect you to the page for registration of our partners, which is investing.dexfin.com. If you were recommended by a friend to use the Dexfin dashboard and he or she sent you a referral code, we recommend all new clients to recheck the registration link sent by the friend or colleague before signing up for the Dexfin dashboard. The Dexfin system is built on two levels of rewards, and one aspect is based on recommending the purchase of a Dexfin token to friends or colleagues. That is why it is very important that you have the correct registration link, unless you have yet to ask your partner or friend who told you about Dexfin to provide you with the registration link. If you have not been referred by a friend, we will fill in our data normally. First, you will enter your name and surname. Then we will fill in our email and fill in the password. We will repeat the password and we will agree to the general terms and conditions. We recommend that you look at the terms of agreement before you agree. Simply click on the provision and the page will direct us to the content. All documents, general terms and conditions, and personal data protection are in English. We recommend that clients click and read the privacy policy. At this moment, we have opened terms and have been able to read the terms and conditions and the protection of personal data and the principles of using the Dexfin investing application. We will return to the main page, investing.dexfin.com, and create an account. We have a warning for you. It is possible you entered an email that has already been used or an email that is not functional. Thus, it is not possible to register in the Dexfin system. We recommend using a new email that really exists so that you can be registered. We have used an email we haven't used yet, and we'll click on consent and create an account. If we enter the correct email, the app will have thanked us. Now, an important step follows. You need to check your email. So after you log into your email, you will see that you have received a verification email, which we will click on. Thanks to a confirmed link, the system will redirect us to investing.dexfin.com. Congratulations, your email is verified and you can log into the system. Now we enter our email again, plus we enter our password. We can enter in Google Chrome to remember me so that we don't have to write passwords anywhere. We recommend if you write down your password, write it somewhere on a piece of paper or in your notebook. Never write it down somewhere on your computer. The system will remember the password. We will have successfully logged into our investing.dexfin application. What is next is the KYC verification. It is not possible to buy Dexfin tokens on our licensed international global exchange without this verification. Dexfin is an international licensed company, and we need to verify each client. The system tells us each participant must abide to the regulations and must perform KYC authentication and emails to prevent money laundering, fraud transactions, prohibited governmental sanctions, or those that finance terrorism. To participate in token offers, complete our fast and secure verification process. So we click on Verify KYC. After opening the link, we will fill in all our data again. So our name, our surname, our phone number. I recommend including the country code, date of birth, choose gender, the username, the country of residence, for example, Czech Republic. Then fill in the state. On here we will enter the example Prague. The district of the city, here we'll enter Prague 8 and the postal code 18000 in the field. The street address and the number of the address. For example, in this situation, we enter the address of the registered office of our company, Prnerova 697/35. Now the next step awaits us. We must verify our identity. The system allows us to get verified in 3 ways, either by means of a passport or identity card, or even a driver's license. The choice of the document must be valid and not expired. The document should be in good condition and clearly visible on the card. There should be no writing or links on the document, and the file must not exceed the maximum size of 1 megabit and must have a resolution of at least 300 dpi. For a verification example, we will choose the ID card, which will probably be the most used. First, we will upload the front page of the ID card, then upload the back side of the ID card. And finally, we have to upload our photo with the ID card. In the last photo, it is important to really see the person in the ID card clearly. This is because individuals who register in the Dexfin system with our license exchange need to prove it is really them. We have now uploaded 3 photos of the identity card, the front, the back, and together with our photo. We have also read the conditions we saw a moment ago. We enter that all personal data we have entered is correct and confirm that the registries to participate in token distribution events as a natural person and not as an agent or representative of a third-party legal entity. We will continue the verification until our electrical department approves your verification and checks your documents. So, we can go back to the Profile tab, where we will see that the possibility to enter wallets in bright red. As you probably all know and are all familiar with, all the tokens you buy at Dexfin will be transferred to your personal cryptocurrency wallet. We recommend the Konomi crypto wallet to everyone. Instructions for installing the Konomi crypto wallet are published just like this video on our YouTube Dexfin channel. Now we will copy the address of our wallet. I recommend sending the wallet number to your email. For example, 90% of us use emails in a smartphone, so we will send the code to your email. Only you should have access and upload this number to the application. While we now have an approved email and are waiting to verify your identity, we have a wallet number uploaded. At this point, we can add information on our profile. For example, give the last name again, enter our mobile phone number again, or date of birth, and select the country where we live, and update the profile. Alternatively, we can set up a 2-phase verification. If you want to change the password, we can first write the old password here, and then enter the new one, and enter confirm and update. This system is completely simple and intuitive. It is a great solution for application, even for likes. What is left now, once registration is completed, is to send a referral link to a friend who you would like to invite to use the Dexfin system. This will provide you with a reward package, and he or she can buy Dexfin tokens and utilize the benefits of the Dexfin platform. Now, we see that we can't buy Dexfin tokens just yet because we're waiting for KYC verification. Once we are verified, just click the Buy Token button where we change this checkbox. Pending our account verification, we may now invite friends to utilize our system. Dexfin works on recommendations, so you can tell your friends about the possibility to buy Dexfin tokens under these exceptional conditions. To do so, you need our unique registration link, and we will show you 2 ways to get it. We will click on our header, then Referral. After, a page will appear with a unique code. To copy the URL code, click on the button next to the address with the 2 pages icon. This will allow you to easily copy the address. Afterwards, you can paste it into your email. You will create a new message in your email, paste the code in the body of the email, and label the subject of the email as such. For example, invitation to register to Dexfin. This way you can easily send an invitation to anyone who wants to participate in the Dexfin system. I ideally recommend sharing the video so anyone who would like to participate can see the simple registration and conveniently register and refer others just like you. Let's go back to our bulletin board so that we can see where in the future you will see the number of your tokens after your purchase. On the main page, you will always see the current price at which Dexfin tokens are sold. Then you will see our marketing and other events. Now we have completed the first short video. I hope this guide has helped you, and in the next video we will show you how to buy a Dexfin token. I would like to thank all the partners who register in this system and who will use the purchase of our Dexfin token in advance before the stock exchange starts. In the next video, we will show you how to buy Dexfin tokens so that you can all see how you can conveniently and easily buy your Dexfin tokens through this application. Have a nice day and share this video with your friends. And please like the video by pressing the like button below. Have a nice day and see you next video.